The world's freshest water comes from deep within the earth. If you're lucky enough to drink well water, you can appreciate this. The well water's journey to your faucet begins when a well pump forces it to the surface, where it is stored in a well tank. Flexcon offers a variety of tanks designed to meet individual customer needs. Our tanks feature patented CAD2 diaphragm design, the most innovative diaphragm in the industry. It offers superior air and water separation, and it doesn't crease and wear out like bag designs. In conventional well tank installations, when a faucet is opened, air pressure inside of the tank forces the tank diaphragm down, supplying water pressure to the system. Air pressure continues to force the water out of the diaphragm until a preset minimum pressure is reached. This takes place while your well pump enjoys a much-deserved rest. Then, a pressure switch set to a preset minimum pressure sends a signal to the well pump, turning it back on, refilling the water chamber so it's ready the next time a faucet is opened. Constant pressure water systems were developed so well users could experience the kind of water pressure that was once reserved exclusively for city dwellers. Designed to operate at a much smaller pressure differential, constant pressure systems virtually eliminate water pressure drops often associated with conventional well systems. The only downside to these systems is the water chamber isn't completely flushed like a conventional tank during each cycle. The remaining water can stagnate when left unused for an extended period of time. In flow-through equipped tanks, when the water flows in, our patented water vane, incorporated into the water inlet, automatically circulates water throughout the tank. This flushing action guarantees the freshest water with constant pressure previously unavailable from a well. Over time, even the best well tanks exhibit a slight drop in air pressure, which allows more water to remain in the tank's water chamber. Flow-through equipped tanks can also be used in conventional systems, eliminating all possibility of stagnation. When it comes to well tanks, bigger is truly better. Flexcon tanks come in a wide variety of sizes to handle every well water system need. But it always pays to think big. The bigger the tank, the more water on hand in the event of a power outage. But one thing's for certain, when you install a Flexcon well tank, you can rest assured the water coming out of your faucet is as fresh as it was when it came out of the earth. The leading innovator in well tank technology, Flexcon Industries, the reliable source.